Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today's topic is all about tarot predictions for each zodiac signs for the year 2025. So this is a very general collective reading. Just take what resonates, okay? And if these predictions come true, I do want you guys to come down to my comment section and do let me know how much did it resonate to you, or how much did these things manifest or happen for you. Okay, so yes, let's see what you need to know this year, what's gonna come ahead for you, or is there any warning signs. So yes, so we are getting get to know of this. So we'll start with the each zodiac signs. Okay, and whoever wants the personal reading, you can definitely reach out to me through the description box. There is a link given below. If not, you can also reach out to me on the Insta. Okay, even that link is also mentioned in the description box, guys. So yes, let's not waste the time and let's directly get into the reading right now. Hello my dear Aries, so let's see what is your 2025 predictions. So this is for those whose birth dates are around March 21st till April 19th. Okay, so yes guys, so let's see what's a general reading for you, like what you want and what you guys are meant to know, what's coming ahead for you in the year 2025. Like it's a overall, okay, it's not just specifying to any month, it's overall. 5 of Cups. What else is there for my Aries? Whoa, okay, so I see that you guys have been going through a lot of loss. It could be in terms of your career, or in terms of any love, any situation, any aspect of your life. I see could be somebody was being dishonest or deceptive to you, wearing the mask, being fake around, and things have been caused a lot, and there was a lot of distractions for you, Aries. Lot of challenges have been have come across you. So I see that this year will be like you will be overcoming with lot of challenges with the determination, and there is a career growth definitely. But with this moon card, be careful. There could be somebody, whomever, if you are involved with, or this could be a partnership with the anybody in terms of your business or in love. So there can be a third party situation that can destroy things for you. So this is a warning. Listen to your intuition, don't be confused. Okay, and I see it's going to be a lot of ups and downs for you this year, very challenging year for you, but you have to overcome all this with the determination and not to give up on it so easily. Definitely there is a career growth for you, and in terms of your career, I see there is achievements that's going to come ahead for you. But most of these challenges would be in career and love. Most would be in love. Okay, so be careful with all this, and I see that you will need to cut off somebody this year who will not be serving for your best and highest good. There is an end that will be coming. There is a karmic phase that will be ending for you guys this year. And you guys over here, I see that with lot of spots over here, all this, you guys have to work and be more logical and practical this year, because this being logical and practical would help you for a much better extent, I could say. Being emotionally drowned down, like it won't let you shutter off or spill off everywhere emotionally. So be more logical, practical, handle things with this. And being emotional would not really help you. It's going to give you a lot of disappointments. Okay, so this year it is all about focus, balance, in all the aspects of your life. That much is possible. And there is lots and lots of challenges that you will be facing. There will be people who will try to, get you down, who will try to, you know take things off from you. Okay, if you're reaching better heights, they would try to take things off. So at this time, I would tell you that don't fall into any kind of confusion. If you feel that this energy is bad, this person is bad, or anything, you can take an advice from your higher, anybody of your friend circle, and just take this person off. Okay, so yes, this is what is for you, Aries. So this is what a general reading for you. For more such readings, you guys can definitely reach out to me. And yes, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe now. Bye bye. Hello, my dear Taurus. So this is for those whose birth date lies between April 20th to May 20th. So let's see a general prediction, a overall prediction on what you have to be cautious on, or like what is coming for you. It's like a overall general reading, guys. It's not specifically on career or love. So let's see what's gonna be very much engaging for you this year. Whoa, I see this year is about abundance. For Taurus, I see this year is all about stability, abundance, creativity, and definitely relationships with friends, family, and your partner is gonna be more stronger. And I see a lot of celebrations, you guys, like having really fun, enjoying your going out, going on a vacation, partying. Like the bonds with your friends is gonna be more stronger. And yes, this is gonna be a lot of abundant year for you. A lot of money is gonna come in, and most of you, I see that you guys are gonna get stable this year. And I see there will be entry of two people into your life. One who genuinely has the feelings for you, other one is just coming out of nowhere. This could be for most of them their past person coming back, and for most it is a new offer. If you're looking to get married and you're waiting for a proposal or commitments from someone, I see you getting that. Okay, guys. And for few, be careful. This person, whoever is coming, is not someone who's gonna stay for long. This is a very impulsive energy that is coming, so don't get fooled by this energy again. Be careful. This is a warning sign for you guys. If you're currently struggling and juggling with your finances, don't worry, this is gonna come to an end. You will start saving and getting better in terms of finances, I feel. Anything else that you need to know? The fate, the hope, whatever you're hoping for, whatever you're wishing for, gonna come for you. This year is gonna manifest that for you, and definitely things are gonna be aligned more better for you. And I see that this time, this year is all about manifestations also for you, spiritually aligning yourself. So if you're looking to manifest something this year, you're going to receive it very quickly, guys. This is going to happen. And another warning is, don't take any decisions very quickly. Need to have patience. Okay, and yes, that's what is there in this whole reading. And if this comes true, come back to this video and comment down below if this prediction has come true to you. And for more readings, for more personal readings, you can definitely reach out to me. And if you are new and have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. And thank you so much for watching this. Bye bye. Hello, my dear Geminis. So let's see what's gonna come ahead for you in the year 2025, and this is for those whose birth dates is between May 21 to June 20th. Okay, so let's not waste the time and get into the reading. What is gonna come ahead for Geminis in the year 2025? Whoa, okay. I see that you are going to end a karmic phase, a karmic situation. There is something that's gonna come to an end for you, which was just come to your, your as a chapter, as a lesson to be learned. Okay, so there is something that's gonna end in your life. This could be in terms of your relationship. There is a big decision that you have to make, and I see that whatever you have manifested is going to, you will be receiving all this in the year of 2025. Whatever you have, put your efforts in, and you have not been receiving what do you say, appreciation for it or recognition, nobody's recognizing your work. I see that now things are gonna come, into a, what do you say, into a motion, like it's gonna work out for you. You are going to get all that you have thought of. And I see there will be some female, if you're struggling with a career and still haven't found a better opportunity or a job, then I see there will be a female who will be about 30, is going to help you in terms of the career settlements, job, financial stability and all. Okay, she'll be there, she'll be mentoring you. You have to listen to her. And with this Lovers card, I see that you will be taking some big decision. This is mainly about love, having a partner, or those who are waiting to get married, and you are literally confused about the person, whether you need to marry, or if you might be getting a 2 options or 2-3 options and you're confused among them. I see that this is the year for a big decision. This big decision is not just regarding to this, it could be anything regarding to your work also. So this is going to be more dominant, because this is a major card that I've got out of all. And yes, definitely the Magician card is also there. So in terms of your love relationship and your career, there is something that you need to align your choices with your desire. And 1 and 6 could be a lucky number for you this year. Okay, and yes guys, so don't try to hide anything. Be more transparent in the relationship to increase the bond, if you want to get the bond more deeper. And I do see that people's bonds are gonna get better. Love is gonna be more, you guys are gonna be more in the harmonious relationship this year. Be careful from that one snake who would try to ruin your relationship. Not to entertain it too lot, and not to share anything with them. They are very close to you. Okay, could be your friends or anybody, but you better not update about your relationship fights or anything to this particular person. So be careful with that one thing. Apart from that, I see you having all the resources this year, being more stable, more powerful. Whatever you have manifested is going to be received like boom, boom, boom. So overall, the only one thing that you need to know is that this year you have to keep making a lot of major decisions. And this could be due, for some it could be a court or a legal cases also, regarding to some property. I don't know why I'm getting property. So yes, so that's it guys. Let's see, is there anything that you need to know, anything else this month that could help you out? So I've got clean it up. If there is anything that you are still stuck with your past, or any kind of thoughts, or anybody that is not serving the best and your highest good, please clean it up. If you're still having the repetitive thoughts about what you have lost, please let it go. Whatever is not serving for your best and highest good, please clean those things up. It could be your room could be shattered, or everything messed up. So this could be an sign also. Once just clean up your room, your space, to just get an clarity, a clear environment, a positivity for you yourself. And be careful, somebody might backstab you. This is for very few I'm getting. And whoever wants to get a pet, is looking to get a pet, or you might already have a white color pet at your home. This is for Geminis, right? So I see you'll be more connected to the Mother Earth this time, being very grounded, being very kind, generous, helping people around, and definitely more attached with your pet. You might be liking roses. Okay, yes, that's all, guys, that's all. So whoever is new, and if this reading has found you a little bit resonating, do follow me, do subscribe, and if this comes true, if this predictions happens, come back to this reading and let me know below in this comment section that yes, this has happened or not. Okay, so if you want to reach out to me for personal reading, definitely you can go through the description box. There's a link given below, and I'll reach out to you once you fill the form, and you can do connect me on Instagram. So yes, guys, love you all. Bye bye. Hello, my dear Cancers. So this is for those whose birth dates are between June 21st till July 22nd. Okay, so let's see what's a prediction for you for this year 2025. What's gonna come ahead for you in the year 2025? How it's gonna be for my dear Cancers? Oops, there's just a fly up moment. Wow. I see there is a huge change that's gonna come ahead for you. Okay, I see that you guys are going to, there is some kind of transformation. Okay, like if you feel to work out on yourself, working out, being more physically active, or to do something of your own, business or something, like you want to make yourself better. I feel that most of you over here want to change your lifestyle. Okay, and yes, definitely you will be admiring the change that is going to come ahead in your this 2025. You will learn to adapt with the things, adapt with this up and downs that's going to come ahead for you. And definitely, guys, there is abundance, there is stability that's gonna come ahead for you. There is a financial luck I see. And whoever is going or planning to do a business, this is a great time for you. And if you're thinking anything, or if you're manifesting anything regarding to your career, I see that you will be getting this. Okay, all your manifestations regarding to the career is gonna be fulfilling. 2025 is gonna be a little bit hustling for you, but at the same time there is a self-reflection that you have to do it on yourself, and listen to your intuition with this cups card. And this only happens if you give a change. Like you have to, if you move out from the comfort zone, if you guys are changing your place or thinking of changing the place, I see that it's going to happen. If you're trying to shift to a new place, a new house, or whatever it is, so if you do that, it's the time when things start turning, the plates start turning in your favor. And definitely I see that you will be more balanced and more aligned with the things, because of this masculine and feminine energy. Whoever is thinking of buying a new bike over here will definitely, I see them buying a new bike. And you are gonna be gaining more knowledge. I see that you will be doing something, or like courses or something, to gain more knowledge regarding to your work, or something that you want to start up with. So definitely your inner wisdom is going to guide you this year, and you are going to be more aligned, and everything, whatever is going to come, whatever the change is going to happen, I see that it is all regarding to your career. This year is all about making your career, making money, financial stability, being more abundant. And yes, so this is all about money, career. This month I see you really being determined towards it and working more. There's a success also if you have a strong willpower to get it done, whatever you have started your work on. If you're putting your efforts, your hard work, then definitely you have a success, guys. This is a good time for you. From the summer, I see the summer season is going to be a lift up for you. Summer season, I'm hearing summer, so yes, summer season is going to be lucky for you, I would say, because that's the time when there will be an action that you will be taking. Things will start working. You will see that there is a changes that's going to come. You see the things moving for you for the better. So yes, please keep your egos down. Don't try to get egos in this. Then you would not have success. You would not have the alignment. And those, let's see what else. What else for my Cancers? Loving and fighting, definitely I see you might be having a little bit quarrels with your partner, whoever it is. And yes, this is a period of introspection. You will be introspecting over the things. Something will keep you into that alignment, that you will have a period of introspection over the things, which is really good for your growth. And loving and fighting, don't make it too worse for yourself. It's fine, it happens with everyone. Just try to resolve it and work together. Whoever is in relationship or is married is watching this, so yes, this is for you. So that's it, guys. Please work on yourself. Okay, self-reflection is much needed for you guys. Listen to your intuition and learn to embrace the change. Ups and downs, obviously every year you face this. I don't think it's gonna be very new, but yes, it's fine when you go down. Don't put yourself so low that it gets so hard for you to come up. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you want a personal reading, you can definitely connect to me in the description box. There's a link given below. You can fill the form, or else you can connect to me through Insta. And whoever is new, if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe this channel, and do let me know if this prediction comes true to you. That's it, guys. Love you. Bye bye. Hello, my dear Leos. So yes, let's see what's gonna come ahead for you in the year 2025, and this is for those whose birth date lies around July 23rd till August 22nd. So let's see how your 2025 is going to be. I just have to keep checking on my mic. Anyway, yes, let's see how is your 2025 is going to be. I hope I have told 2025, guys. Yeah. Ooh. Year to shine. Leos are going to be more successful. there's a lot of joy, there's recognition, I could say. I mean, like, you are going to land into your own power, welcoming abundance. There is justice also. If things have not been fair for you this 2024, if you have been working really, really hard and nobody has recognized this, I see this 2025 is going to shift so massively for you that it's going to be more positive. Okay, there is, you are going to get success on whatever you're working on, you are going to get results on whatever, you know, you're putting your hard work in, your efforts in. Then this is the year of justice, guys. Whatever you have done in the 2024, I see that those blessings, like that recognition, everything is going to be served in the year 2025. Okay, whatever hard work you have put in and have not heard for it, I see 2025 is going to make sure that you are well appreciated this year. You are going to shine, you are going to come into your power. I see that this year is like, oops, okay, I have done pretty much hard work. Now I'm gonna sit nicely and enjoy the, you know, fruitful results, enjoy whatever I have done. Like, it's time to, like, just sit and enjoy the things that you have done, like seeing the all that, you know, things coming to you. And I see that there is something that you guys want to evolve more in. Okay, you might be researching on this, doing a research on something for your growth, and I see it's going to be more aligned, like things are going to be more aligned. There could be few truths that will be revealed for you, and definitely there will be a male figure who's going to be you know, coming into your life. For those who are singles over here, it could be male or it could be female. So I see there is somebody who's going to come into your life, and there will be a role played by one of the male figure in your life. It could be an helping hand, or it could be a motivator, a supporter. So, and there could be someone who will come to, you know, cut things off, or who will try to ruin things off for you. So be careful from this person. This is going to be very all of a sudden, but they're going to come pretty soon into your life. So this is going to be a very impulsive, very irritating energy, which can, you know, imbalance things up for you. This year is all about you know, enjoying the fruits of your hard work, I would say. So for Leo, this is going to be a really bang on year because of the major cards. Things are going to be balanced. You are going to get justice for whatever, you know, is meant to be served for you. And definitely this is the time for you to just embrace your true power, being more confident, being, you know, if you guys like you know, going out, doing some, you know, makeovers for yourself, then it's really good. Please do try keeping yourself more glorious and more, you know, attractive as much as you can, guys. So I see that this will be something that will be attracting more you know, abundance into your life. If you do, the more you show up yourself in a very aligned way, is the more that you attract. So yes, a little bit obstacles will be there, but that's not going to be that you know, worse. And I see that you will be more connected to the nature, or you might be thinking to go on a trekking or something where you will be very close to the nature, where we will be very close to the greenery. So I see you grounding, being more spiritually aligned. You might be working as a healer or into occult science or as such. So I see you'll be more aligned with the things, and whoever is planning to buy some gold, jewels, definitely go ahead. You're gonna buy it with your own money, guys. So yes, It's gonna be a lot of success, lot of recognition, name, fame, abundance. It's gonna just boom in. So still you have a time, work hard now. 2025 is gonna give all that justice to you. Karma is gonna be served. Good karmas are gonna come ahead. Whatever you have done good karmas in the year of 2024, you're gonna get it results in 2025. So that's it. You guys can definitely reach out to me for the personal readings. It's there in my description box. You can click on the link, fill the form, and I'll reach out to you. Or else definitely you can reach out to me through Insta. So yes, whoever is new, don't forget to subscribe, and love you all. Bye bye. Hello my dear Virgos. So let's see what's gonna come ahead for you in the year 2025. It's a general reading. It could be anything, not really specifying to love, career. It's an overall aspect. Okay. So sorry for that disturbance. So yes. So this is for those whose birth dates are around August 23rd till September 22nd. So let's get into your reading and see what's something that you need to know or what's going to come ahead for you in the year 2025. This is the year for you to let go of something that's not serving, to let go, to remove all those past burdens, maintain a healthy boundaries around. And if you are juggling with the financial issues, then I see everything is going to come to an end. There is a balance. There could be, if you're searching for a new job, then there's definitely a job offer. Or if you're searching for a new person, or if you're waiting for somebody to pop up and give you a love offer, definitely that's gonna come. But a twist over here is that this person is very immature and a very childish kind of behavior, which is not gonna last long in the relationship. And this is gonna happen for very few of you who is waiting for this person, this particular person. There is, that person in your mind and you want them to come back to you. You might be manifesting for them, but nah, they're not the right person for you, and they're pretty immature energy, so the energy is also not great, and they're just somebody who just flirts around and has fun, but I say there is something beautiful that's gonna come in. So you might be marrying to your soulmate, you might be meeting your soulmate in the year 2025, and this is the major energy, guys, because this is the Lovers. I see partnership, I see love, I see bonds getting better, more harmonious, more aligned in terms of your, love life. Things are going to be more better for you after the month of June. Okay, after the month of June, you're going to have a very great harmonious relationship, and there is something judgment. I see you're here to make a decision. There is something that is been calling on to you to take action, but you haven't been taking action on it. You might be having thoughts, you might be thinking about something to, do or change your job or do something better. There is, it could be in terms of writing an exam, giving an exam, or in terms of your job, or in terms of doing any masters, post graduations, or regarding to your career, or whatever it is regarding to a person. There is something that you have been thinking on it since a long, but you haven't taken action yet. Okay, now it's angels are calling to take an action. Angels are calling upon you to take an action. So guys, for this year, overall message for you is that this is a time for you. Take time, whatever has been happening, how much ever you have been juggling. So this is a lesson for you that take time for your personal growth and understand yourself. better so that you create a solid foundation for you. Okay, so this year you guys need to know that you create a solid foundation by taking time for yourself. Know yourself better than anything else or anybody else. Know yourself better. Make things aligned, like what you want to do further, what is something that you want, what is something where do you want to reach. Okay, so understand yourself better, and this is a time for a personal growth, so do that, and definitely create a solid foundation for you guys. And that's what is a major thing. And please put a healthy boundaries on somebody who has been repeatedly hurting you. Okay, don't try to forgive and keep giving them chances. This can affect you, your aura, and you might have a very traumatic relation with, in terms of friendship or love or anything as such. So this is another warning, guys, for you. I hope this reading has resonated to you, and if you want any personal reading, you can definitely reach out to me. In this description box there's a link mentioned below. You can fill the form, I'll reach out to you, or else you can reach out to me on Instagram as well. So whoever is new, don't forget to subscribe, guys, and if you love my reading, do follow me. And yes, don't forget to come back and comment down that if this prediction has come true. Bye bye. Hello, my dear Libra. So this is for those who have whose birth date lies around September 23rd till October 22nd. Okay, let's see how your 2025 gonna be, how things are gonna align for you, what is something that you need to know. It's an overall prediction. So let's see how 2025 is gonna be for my Libras. How 2025 is gonna be for Libras. How 2025 is going to be for my Libras. Okay. Libras, guys, I see that you have been planning on something, having a lot of creative ideas regarding to something. So but there are a lot of obstacles that is coming when you are already planning, and you are even thinking of the obstacles also, or might be getting obstacles when you feel to take an action on it. But yes, definitely this year you can take an action on this, whatever you're planning to take action on. Okay, I see you might be getting offers too, whoever is searching for a job offer, or whoever is waiting for some kind of offer. I see that you will be getting this offer, but you need to recognize this time. Don't be in your own thoughts. Don't go so blind that you will not see this offer coming towards you, or you're not able to recognize this offer coming towards you. This is something that will bring a great change for you, this offer. And I see you ending some kind of phase. So this could be with a person, or something that was been more giving you a lot of anxiety and stress is going to come to an end this year. And I see that you will be into something very dominating and a controlling relationship. You need to not let yourself get controlled by anyone. Don't let anybody else control you. I see there is some kind of dominating, controlling energy that's gonna come up for you. So be careful this year. Okay, I want you to literally stay aware. This year emphasizes on fairness, balance, and making some important decisions, as I've told you this thing. So So please be careful. Don't ruin it up for you. Don't get into a wrong hands. Okay, I see that you will reap the awards, like rewards, rewards for your past efforts, guys. You will be doing that, but please be careful from this huge, warning sign. There is a very dark time that you guys are gonna go through this year. Very controlling, very dominating energy. You will be surrendered to this energy if you make any kind of wrong decision. Please be careful while making any kind of decision. Okay, but apart from that, I see there is lot of balance. There is lot of better things. There is opportunities in terms of love also for you. Okay, this year you have to work really hard, and yes, there is an offer for those whoever is waiting for an offer, whoever is waiting for a commitment. I see you are gonna get this time. This is gonna be a love offer which will have a long term, like this is gonna be a very long term situation for you with this person, whoever is gonna offer this to you. So yes, that's it, guys. I hope this reading has resonated to you, and please mark my words, being careful. Okay, and don't let anybody take a control over you, rather you try taking control over the situations. Okay, so yes, that's it. And whoever wants a personal reading, you can definitely reach out to me in the description box. There is a link given below. Please fill the form and I'll reach out to you. And definitely you can reach out to me at Insta also. And if you have liked my reading, and if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, guys. Keep loving the same. Bye bye. Have a great day. Hello, my dear Scorpios. So let's see a general reading for you. What's gonna come ahead for you in the year 2025? And this is for those whose birth dates are around October 23rd till November 21st or 22nd. I'm confused with this. Okay, so let's see what's gonna come ahead for my dear Scorpios in the year 2025. Ooh, 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 ooh. I see that you are going to end some kind of major karmic depth or karmic cycle, and you are going to enter a brand new beginning this year. Congratulations, guys. And definitely this is something that has been really kept you paused, was not letting you. And I see that you might be heartbroken. You might have seen a very major hurts this year. This year has hurted you a lot emotionally in terms of your relationship or in terms of the friendship or work. There is some kind of breakup. You have gone through something major, loss this year, and this is something that was meant to happen, and now you are completing this karmic cycle, guys. And I see you, whoever is thinking about going through out country for studies or something as such, abroad for studies, I see that is going to happen. And there is lot of your wishes that's gonna come true. There are a lot of infinite things that's gonna happen for you. And be open, be clear with your communications, be open to the new opportunities and new beginnings that's gonna come. If you have put your efforts and you have not got the results and you have been waiting for it, I see you are going to get results this year. I see you being more abundant, balanced, and financially very stable. But yes, you guys have to learn to let go what no longer serves you to get all these blessings in the year 2025. You have to learn to let go that no longer serves you, or you have to learn to embrace the new beginnings, new change. I know that now you are going under a period of introspection. You're analyzing the things in a different, you're trying to see the things with the different perspectives, and I see you are gaining more clarity. Things have been paused for you, and don't worry, everything is going to come into an action in the year 2025. You are going to get everything that you deserve, and you're going to reach more heights. And definitely there is a travel that I'm hearing. There is a travel for you. It's not anything short from like one place to another. It's basically like going out of the country, like traveling out. There's a big travel that's gonna come up, so yes, pack your bags, get ready for it. And money, abundance is all that is gonna come ahead for you. And I see you gaining more clarity, being more wiser than before from all that hurts that you have gone through. I see you learning lessons from it, and things being more aligned for you spiritually. I see some people tapping into spirituality, start doing more prayers, or started visiting your holy places. So yes guys, and might be there most of you are tarot readers, or whoever is into Vedic, astrology, numerology, whatever you're doing, whoever is watching this, it is for you. So yes, my dear Scorpios, that's all. And if this reading has resonated you, please do let me know in the comment section. And if you want a personal reading, you can reach out to me in the description box. There's a link given below. Fill the form and I'll reach out to you. And definitely you can reach out to me in the Instagram also. And yes, that's it guys. I hope this reading has resonated. Please do come back if this predictions has come true for you in the year 2025. And all the best for all of you. Bye bye. Hello my dear Sagittarius, whoever has been born in the month of 22nd, November 22nd till December 21st, this message is for you. This general reading and prediction of 2025 is for you. So let's see what's gonna come ahead for you in the year 2025. What's gonna come ahead for Sagittarius in the year 2025? Wow. I see that this year is all about the stability and family life, family time. I see most of you are going to spend your time with family, being more connected to your family. Okay, you will be building a better bond with your family. So, and I see most of you are going to hibernate yourself from all the social life. Try, gaining more knowledge, wisdom, working on yourself, and you're going to detox yourself from this social life, I feel, in this year 2025 with this card, and with some hope regarding to something of your growth or as such. And yeah, definitely there is a change. If you're planning to shift to another place, I see that happening for you. You are going to change from wherever you are. You're going to travel, and it's not something huge travel. This is a within your country travel, and I see you being more balanced, more determined, and with a very strong willpower. There could be a female who will try to cut things off with you, so be careful with that guys. There will be somebody who doesn't like your happiness, who is having a bad evil eye on you. Okay, so this might have happened with most of you already. If not, then yeah, be careful. There is somebody who is keeping a close eye, who is getting all the informations from somebody about you, your updates. And this is someone who is very logical, a practical woman, and a very cold-hearted woman. So this female will cut things off for you. You might be having a lot of anxiety, depression, stress this time. You're going through all these things, and I see that even this 2025 is going to be more of patience. There is long-term situation, long-term goals as such, and lot of hustlings going to be there for you this 2025. So don't give up guys. Have a strong willpower to establish and complete your work, achieve for whatever you are looking for. And definitely there is a family time also coming ahead for you, whoever is planning for a kid, or who is planning to have or stay with the family, then yes, that's gonna happen for you. If you're planning to buy a new house that you guys can stay in a joint family, then yes, this is also gonna happen for you. So there is more uh, of love, family, and more of abundance and finances. Also, security, stability is going to come for you. So that's it, guys. If you want any personal reading, you can get into the description box, click on the link, fill the form, and I'll reach out to you. If not, you can also connect to me on Insta. And whoever is new, don't forget to subscribe. And guys, if this prediction is getting true somewhere in the year 2025, don't forget to come back and comment on this video. That's it. Bye bye. Hello, my dear Capricorns. So let's see what's gonna come for you in the year 2025, how your 2025 is going to be. And this is for those whose birth dates are around December 22nd till Jan 19th. So let's see what's gonna come ahead for my dear Capricorns in the year 2025. Oh, there is betrayals, guys. There is a betrayal. So sorry. Okay, you're gonna face some kind of loss. This could be in terms of your financial. There is 555. There is a change that's gonna come ahead for you. Okay, there could be somebody who will offer you for a job or something in terms of the career. Please don't take that offer, because that is gonna get you your loss after a few months of working over there. I see there is a betrayal. This could be with your partner that's gonna happen. So there is lot of things that is going to declutter in your life. Something that is not going to be meant for your best and highest good is going to be removed from your life this year. I see things are going to be paused and not in an action, and this is a time where you have to build a strong willpower to make a change in your life. You can move out from your comfort zone, and you have to work hard for things to happen. Coming to your love life, I see this could be a very happy, this year end will be very happy for you in terms of love, okay, emotional wise. And be careful with the new beginning or anything that who is going to offer you what. So don't try to take it. And this year is all about you have to break free from the limiting beliefs. And yes, your habits, if you are into drinking, smoking, any kind of bad addictions, please let it go, or else that's not gonna get growth. It's gonna affect your growth, your finances also. It might affect your health as well. Okay, so to get off from it, there is a very dominating energy that is going to be there, and it might try to control you. So be careful with this also. Try taking control over the things for yourself and make it work for yourself. So that's it for you guys. I hope this has resonated to you somewhere or the other. And if you are new and haven't followed or subscribed me yet, do subscribe me now. And you can definitely reach out to me. All the links are given below in the description. Love you all. Bye bye. Hello, my dear Aquarius. So let's see what's gonna come ahead for you in the year 2025, how it's gonna be. And this is for those whose birth dates are around Jan 20th till Feb 18. So let's see how your 2025 is going to be. Let's see as my Aquarius 2025 is gonna be. What are the things? I'm gonna come ahead for them. Guys, you got to stay more optimistic this year and connect with your higher purpose. Okay, I see that you are going to face something that's gonna imbalance your energy, imbalance you out from your state. Please try maintaining healthy boundaries around for you, for your better, for your good. I see you being pretty unsure about your career or finances, not making a right decisions. Okay, I see there will be some things that you will be cutting off this year. It could be any people in your life or anything, and Definitely, you will need to work hard in your career. Teamwork would be the best one for you. Don't try to put on to your own self and being that I'll handle everything all alone. No, teamwork will give you a growth. Will let you have more knowledge. Will let you grow better by gaining more knowledge from these elder people. And I feel that you really need to hear what elder one says to you, because there is something that will give you a great improvement in your future, in your decision making. So whatever it is, I see that you will be taking action regarding to what you have been planning since long, whatever the thoughts you have been getting since long. But yes, all I would like to say for you guys is stay optimistic and stay connected to your higher self, your higher purpose that you are planning and you want to work on. Okay, please don't give up on the things, and I would definitely recommend you to do a teamwork to get things aligned. And please keep a healthy boundary, and please try taking clarity over the decisions that you have been thinking, and not to be so messed up with the things and being unsure. Things are gonna come to you, but things are gonna be delayed, whatever you're trying to get or whatever you're putting hard work in. And if you're trying to get the results soon, no, the things are gonna come in pretty slow for you. So you need to learn about having patience, all about patience. So yes, that's what it is for you guys. And definitely I see there will be a female who will be helping you out, who will be mentoring you, who will be guiding you. Okay, so don't worry, you will get solutions for whatever that you have been messed up in or stuck in a situation. And yes guys, you can definitely reach out to me. In the description box below there is a link where you have to just fill the form, and yes, you can even connect to me on Insta. So if you're new, don't forget to subscribe me guys. Bye bye, love you all. Hello my dear Pisces. So let's see what this 2025 is going to, how this 2025 is going to be for you. This is for those whose birth dates are around Feb 19 till March 20th. Okay, so let's see how your 2025 is going to be for my dear Pisces. Let's see how Pisces 2025 is going to be. Oh, this time there is a lot of people who will be playing role with you, and you will be confused between two people over here whom to work with, who is right in giving decision or whatever it could be. The two ones in that, one is a very deceptive person who is not genuine, who is fake over here. Okay, so be aware about this person, whoever is trying to give you some solutions or trying to work with you, trying to be very good to you. And I see that a lot of you, whoever is planning to get married to your loved one or anything, I see that happening. Okay, there is marriage on the cards, and definitely guys, it's time for you to take advice from or listen to your elder people as well. Whoever is trying to advise you, whoever is the mentor for you, try taking the whatever the solution is that you are unable to unlock it for yourself. They have the key for your solution, they have the answer for it, for your problem. Okay, sorry, I was saying solution, it's a problem. Okay, whatever problem you have, please go consult your mentor, consult any of those that was elder to you. They will give you a solution. Okay, this is a time where you will be listening to your mentor regarding to your work. Okay, you might be planning to put on to your business. This is more of for those who is planning for the business. So please listen to your intuition, trust your inner voice, and please be creative this year for a better growth and better things. And there is a warning also, and coming to your love life, it's going to be very blooming, very colorful, very happy. A great bond. You're gonna have a nice family if you're thinking of having a kid and kids as well. So But then be careful with these two people who is playing a major role in your life. One is not having a good intentions for you, they don't want you to grow, so they're being very deceptive, dishonest, and wearing a mask around you. One genuinely is guiding you. So whoever might be having a black cat, you know, if if this reading helps you out in terms of the black cat, if they're owing a black cat, then they genuinely want you to grow and have a better life. And don't take any quick decision, don't be very impulsive, please trust your intuition. This is a major message for you for this year. Let's see what else do my Pisces needs to know. Not worth it. If you are investing a lot of time on something to build right now, then that is not worth it. If you are not finding results with it, if you're not finding any kind of things happening in it, like any kind of things working out in it, you're still working, putting your hard work, you're not seeing any results at all, then it's not worth it, guys. Please leave it off over there. There are still more hidden things that you need to unlock. So please introspect on yourself, love yourself first, then you can look forward to other things. Please pamper yourself, please learn to do self-love, please go on a spiritual journey of meditation, doing something yoga, or being more physically active. That's much needed for you guys to divert your mind right now, I would say, to really get things aligned. And please be more creative and listen to your intuitions during this time. Whatever you're planning on will be happening, but it is pretty slow, okay, in terms of your career. Then your love life is going to be more great, and most of you will marry the ones that you have loved, guys. So do listen to the elders, and yes, you need to work hard for whatever you want in terms of your finances and career. There is a lot of hard work, patience, determination, and a strong willpower and a focus is needed for you this year. I don't see any kind of success coming out from whatever you're working, but this year you really need to work hard to get the success, get things stable for you financially. Okay guys, that's it for you. So if this reading has resonated you somewhere, please don't forget to subscribe me, and you can definitely reach out to me for your personal readings as well. In the description there is a links given below. You can even connect to me on Insta. So I hope it was satisfied for you. So yes guys, bye bye, love you all, have a great day.